Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to do this viral, well, it's mostly on TikTok, blush trend. It's called the Sunset Blush Trend. If you haven't seen it or heard of it, I have a picture. I actually took it off of TikTok because of all I've seen, I loved hers. So this is what it looks like. So it's basically an orange blush, because I've looked at several, and a pink blush. So they're using the orange blush almost like under the eye going up this way, and then the pink blush is lower down and mostly on the cheek. And sometimes I've seen it switched, but most of the times I've seen it, it's been the orange, starting with the orange and then the pink. So and they've been starting with a cream as well. So I already have foundation on. Well, I'm wearing my Danessa Myricks skin tint. I'm wearing my Urban Decay concealer. And I did some contouring with my Makeup by Mario, the Soft Sculpt. If you haven't seen that video that I posted, my last video, check it out because I've been obsessed with his Soft Sculpt. It's not new, but I'm now discovering how amazing it is. All right, so what I'm afraid of is that, but you know, I don't really do too much color. Sometimes I get a little nervous to step out of my comfort zone, but I really want to try this. What is a little scary for me is putting some of the blush under my eye. This is why I chose a matte concealer. I chose the Urban Decay concealer because usually I wouldn't use the Urban Decay concealer with the Nars Macao. I like to use like more of like a cream, more glowy concealer. All right, so I decided to go with the stick blush from LYS in Courageous to start out with the orange. Now, this is what I'm afraid of. Let me make sure it's not creasing, because I've had it on now for a little bit because I did my makeup first before I came on camera. Well, I started my makeup, I should say. All right, I'm so nervous. So I'm gonna use my sponge. It's not a beauty blend, it's just a regular sponge I'd gotten in a little gift bag or something. All right, so this is the LYS blush. This is so scary. I'm gonna tap it on here. And I'm so afraid to put it under my eye, but here goes nothing. It's like going halfway under your eye and coming back out. And I wanted to do it, of course, before I powder. So I don't have, and this is a beautiful blush. I don't have any powder on. Okay, so far so good. Because this is the part I was nervous about, like putting it under my eye. Like I've never put blush like touching my concealer. But I think this trend is so pretty. And I really wanted to try it. And I said, you know what, let me try it on camera. And I think this is the perfect blush to try it with. Orange and pink. But it's been working out. All right, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and set my face. And I'll come back with the blushes that I chose for this trend. I'll be right back. All right, guys. I'm back. I powdered. So since I've been learning how to use the Huda powder, I went in with Blondie because I always had 4 of her powders. I gave 1 away. So I went in with Blondie. All right. So now for the blush. So the powder side of the blush. The orange is mostly under the eye and the pink is on the cheek, and then there's like highlighter here. This is how a lot of people are doing it. So I figured for the orange blush, I wanted like a sheen as well. So I chose Butterfly from Benefit. And I'm going to be generous because the point is to, I have to pick up my son from school. They're going to be like, what is going on here? The point is to like really make it pop for that sunset look. You guys know what a sunset, I mean, we've seen pictures of a sunset. So right where I have the blush, I'm going to go over top with this, bring it in, which I never bring my blush close to my under eye, but I'm doing it today. Oh. This is a lot for me because I feel like it's so much blush, but it looks so pretty on everybody that I've seen. I haven't seen it look bad on anybody. Okay. All right, I think I have the orange part down. Let me take another look at the picture. Okay, yes, it came down. All right. And this looks, the lighting makes it pop a little bit more, I think, in the picture. So for the pink blush, I looked at this Make Up Forever blush. This is the Artist Blush. I don't remember the name of it. I'm going to have it in the description box. This one is pretty deep. A lot of the blushes I've seen, I mean, a lot of the sunset looks I've seen, the blushes haven't been this pink. Because I pulled it out and now, while I was finishing up my makeup, the powder, I was looking at it. I think this may be too pink. Yeah, this is like too much of a fuchsia pink for the sunset. Most of the pinks I've seen, they've been a softer, you see, even her pink is softer to like blend in with the, so I brought out the cheek clapper in Freaky Peach. Although it says Freaky Peach, it looks pink on me. So I think I'm going to go with this. And this goes right in here. So like an ombre. All right, so let's see. Oh. But then that kind of drowned out the orange, right? Oh my God. I might have to go back and add some orange. You see, it looks easy, but it's not. All right. I kind of drowned out the orange. This is the most blush I probably have ever worn in my life. No, you can see the sunset. Wait a minute. You can see it, right? You can see some orange and then you can see some pink. All right. Since it took some of it away, I'm gonna go back with a little bit more orange, and I'll put it like right here, right in here. Okay, that's better. Like put it right in here and keep it up. Oh, this is a lot of blush to be wearing in the middle of the day on a Monday. Woo, girl. It looks pretty though. And you can see definitely see like the sunset of it. And then there's highlighter on top. I haven't used my Valentino in a while, so I'm gonna use this. Does it look like a lot? But it's pretty though, right? And just put the highlighter right here. And I'm using the little brush that comes with it. I think it came out super pretty. It's definitely out of my comfort zone, but I like it. I like it a lot. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna go finish up the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back, but a lot of blush, but I think it looks really pretty. All right, guys, I'll be right back. All right, guys, I am back with the rest of my makeup done, and this is my version of the Sunset Blush. I think it looks really pretty. Would I wear this like on like a daily basis? No. Will I try it again? Yes. Especially now it's like spring and the summer weather's coming up. I think this looks really nice. This would be nice for like Coachella, like a festival. I don't know if it's, for a regular picking your son up from school Monday, but at least for me, because you know me, I'm a neutral girl. I think this looks really nice. I like it. I like the Sunset Blush. It's very flattering. You guys should try it. if you haven't already. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I think it came up nice. I'm happy with it. Let me know. Let me know in the comments what do you guys think. I really like it a lot. I think it looks super pretty. All right, guys. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.